Hello and Sawadee Kap. Welcome to World on My Plate with me, Chef Harsh. Today, I'm going to be taking you to one of my favorite holiday destinations in the world, Thailand. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a traditional vegetarian Thai green curry from scratch. So let's get started with our paste. Okay, so to make our green curry paste, we're going to have some lemongrass, which basically I have just thinly sliced. We have some coriander leaves. We have some basil leaves. We've got some mint. We've got some finely chopped spring onions. Of course, we need some green chilies for the spice. We have one onion that is just roughly chopped. We've got a few cloves of garlic. And the special ingredient here is galangal, which is a Thai ginger. It's quite sweet when you smell it, and it gives you that really amazing aromatic flavor. Now we're gonna add some seasoning. So we're gonna add a tablespoon each of coriander powder and cumin powder. Now we're gonna add some salt and pepper. And finally, to bring this all together, we're gonna add a little bit of water and some vegetable oil. So we're gonna add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and the same amount of water. Okay, I'm just gonna mix this together a little bit. And now we're ready to blend it all together. So if the paste is not becoming as smooth as you want it to, feel free to just add a little bit of water at a time and keep the blending going. Okay, it looks like our paste is ready. It's the right consistency and color. Let's have a look. It smells really, really good, really fresh. And basically that paste is ready to go, okay? You can keep it in the fridge for about 2 weeks without any problems. And you can use it to make all sorts of delicious dishes. But now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make this into a beautiful green curry. Now, to start making our curry, first we're gonna saute off our vegetables. So let's get our pan on a nice high heat. And we're gonna add some vegetable oil. Okay, our oil is nice and hot now. So let's go ahead with our carrots. Now we're just gonna saute these for about a minute or two until they're slightly tender. Okay, our carrots are slightly tender now, so we're gonna go in with our zucchini. Now we're gonna add our yellow zucchini. Again, just give that a nice mix. Let it start to brown on the edges. Now we're gonna add some eggplant and some mushrooms. So our vegetables are sauteing very nicely. You can see how beautiful the colors are looking. And you have to take my word for it, but it smells amazing in this kitchen. And now we're gonna go ahead and add our green curry paste. So I've added 3 heaped tablespoons of our paste. And we're just gonna cook that down with our vegetables, make sure it's mixed into everything. Okay, so the fragrance from the curry paste cooking is amazing, and we are ready to add in some water to start building this curry. I'm gonna give this a good mix, and then we're gonna add our stock powder. Now just mix that in until the stock powder dissolves completely. Now our curry has come up to a bit of a simmer. So what we're gonna do is we're finally gonna add in our coconut milk and a little bit of brown sugar just to cut through that acidity and the spice. Now we're gonna mix this up and bring it up to the boil. So our green curry has come up to the boil, and now all we're gonna do is add some kaffir lime leaves. Okay, and we're just gonna let those infuse in the curry for about 5 minutes on a very low heat. We're ready to serve. So here you have it, guys, Thailand on my plate. You know, every time I think of Thailand, I think of the place, the people, the culture, and how vibrant all of it really is. And for me, green curry really encapsulates all of that because it's so rich and colorful and just so full of flavor. And I think that's why it is the first dish that I always order every time I travel to Thailand. So for more recipes like this, please follow and like Times Now Foodie on Facebook and Instagram, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.